What's up, Diesel Breathers? It's your good buddy Kody Steele from Motormouth Entertainment. Hey, I've been looking in the comments. It looks like you guys want to hear the Detroit Diesel. I don't blame you. Pretty badass motor. The Detroit has a little faster rev than most diesel engines. It's going to be like a... And when you mash the pedal on a Detroit, it's going to be really high revving. It's going to be annoying to some, but awesome to most. Here it is. Thank you guys. Tell me what you think in the comments below. I never did this one, so it's going to be interesting to see what you guys have to say. Later on, keep looking up Kody Steele at Motormouth Entertainment.